ẹ̀yin èèyàn Gbangba ti Dẹkun Kedere ti bẹ̀wò láàrin Minister of FCT Nyesom Wike àti sójà kan o. Wọ́n ní Naval Officer lọ́kùnrin ìtọ́gá ẹ̀ sì ti fún ní ọ̀dà látòkè. Ní mínísítà wá débẹ̀ ó ní kó ṣe lòdì sí àṣẹ tí wọ́n ti pa fún un látòkè. Ọmọkùnrin wá dúró lórí ẹsẹ̀ rẹ̀ oníláéláé òun ò lè pa àṣẹ àwọn ọ̀gá òun dà. Ẹ wá wo ìgboyà burúkú gbogbo bí mínísítà yẹn ṣe ń sọ pé kíní kankan ó ní you cannot shut me up o, you cannot shut me up sir. Mínísítà tún sọ fún un pé you are stupid, ó ní I'm not stupid sir. Ìgboyà yẹn lágbára ẹ̀yìn yẹn jẹ́ ká jọ wo fídíò yìí.
Nobody does that.
We did not carry anybody.
The man took that. We will not allow going on chief of Naval and then you to carry that.
Sir, everything was acquired legally.
Will you stop that? Will you stop that?
I'm an officer, I have integrity.
Shut up, you're not good officer.
I will not shut up.
Will you get out?
Sir, I won't shut up. Sir,
I want to school, you're not in school.
Sir, you can't shut
me up. Will you
up.
keep quiet?
You can't shut me up, sir.
Food.
I'm not
you are a big fool.
I'm not a fool,
You
sir.
can shoot anybody like that.
Sir, I'm not
you
a fool.
Who are you?
I am not a fool, sir.
As at the time I graduated, you are primary school.
I'm acting on orders.
For which order?
I'm a fool.
I just say you will see whether you love me here.
Sir, you can't call me a fool. I'm an officer. I'm not a fool, sir.
You will kill everybody here.
No, we won't kill anybody. We won't kill anybody. We are acting on orders.
Go and develop your let me see you.
Regular officer, you won't follow.
We are going to get out.